Hey everybody, how's it going? Y'all, Barry's been outside shoveling snow. But I wanted to show y'all something that is back in stock real quick. This will be like one of the easiest projects you've ever done. I gotta find myself. I gotta make sure y'all can see me. I can see y'all and all such as that.
And they can't see me.
And Barry said, and y'all can't see him.
I swear.
He's been out there sweating and working. All right, now look, I know this is on here. Where am I? Y'all see what I have to do to see y'all's comments? Okay, here we are. Here we are. I hope everybody's doing awesome. Okay, there, I see y'all. I see y'all. You just ordered, awesome. Y'all, this is back in stock. It went out of stock like the first day, I think. And look, Barry's gonna get me thrown off Facebook playing this golf behind me. Anyway, this one says pray on it, pray over it, and pray through it. It is super simple. And oh my gosh, I forgot to put the link for the shirt, but I can do that later. Hopefully y'all can see okay. I've got my parchment paper. I'm gonna put some, let me turn this a little bit. I'm gonna put some underneath or inside, and then I'm gonna put this on this sweatshirt. I'll go back later and put the sweatshirt on here. Now, I'm using my heat press at 360 for 60 seconds. And y'all, this will be the fastest, prettiest project. Now, these are big, and it comes one per package for this size. Good afternoon, Judy. I decided to come on early because I know so many of you guys missed this one. I don't want you to miss it. Hey, Chris. All right. Now, these, I'm going to put these maybe on the sleeve somewhere. One says pray, that's a heart, and this one just says pray, 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 pray. But I'm going to cut this and use them. You can use all of this or part of it. Good afternoon, Anita. So, I don't know which ones I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and cut these two. Y'all, this snow and cold has got me about stir crazy. It's crazy. Now let me show you this sweatshirt. And I'm so sorry. Let me know in the comments if you want a link for it. It's got the hand, whatever this is, the pocket, the hoodie. And what I may do is after the project, I may come back on the page and put it on here. Now, this is the side you want to put down on your shirt. And I'm going to, and y'all, I got my iron board out today. I almost couldn't find it. I'm like, where's my iron board? Isn't that terrible? I'm going to make sure there's smooth underneath. Yeah. All right. So y'all be looking on the page after I'm done. And I'm like looking at the pocket, trying to make sure I got this straight. And even up here. If it's a little bit crooked, y'all just gonna have to ignore that. I'm gonna put some parchment paper on the inside. I don't think it will go through, but just in case. Just in case. And look, if y'all want to type the word back, B-A-C-K, we've got several items that have been out of stock and they're back. They were so popular, like I said, they sold out. I think it was the first day or the second day. And this is just regular parchment paper. Hey, Kathy. Y'all, as soon as I get through here, I got dishes in the sink. I got dishes in the dishwasher. I've been taking full advantage of these snow days. And by that, I mean I hadn't been doing anything productive, which is not good. Okay. And look, I don't know how I got something like a dirty spot right there. Who knows what I did? All right, does that look straight to y'all? I gotta look at it right over here. Pray through it. And then just scoot it over. I feel like it's not on here straight. Look, if this one's a little bit crooked, I'm gonna give it to Jenny and do me another one. She won't care. Here, let me do this. I'm like, I gotta get it turned so I can see it. I'm gonna put it up a little bit. You know, sometimes people sew things crooked too. And look, I'm gonna tape it on. I have got to find my tape, my heat tape. I swear that pocket looks crooked. Whoops. All right, I might roll with this. Have y'all ever done a project and it was a little bit crooked? I'm sure y'all have it. And look, whenever I put my tape down, I always like press my paper like this to make sure that it's straight. I might keep turning this. I don't want to mess up my parchment paper. But I sure don't want to mess up my design. You know? I do everything by eyeballing it. And I'm like eyeballing this pocket. The pocket looks crooked. Oh, mercy. I think that's pretty straight. We're gonna roll with it. See, there's that. Okay. Hey, Belinda, how's it going? Hey, Pam. Has anybody done the heat transfers? They're so easy. So easy. Turns out so pretty. Okay. Once I get it on here, I'm going to put my parchment paper over it. I just put that tape down there so it doesn't move. Feel like y'all can, hopefully you see. All right. I'm not sure. My press is, I think, I might have to put it on here twice. It's 360 for 60 seconds. And the reason, this is a large print, so if you have to move your press around, make sure you tape your design down. Oh my gosh, y'all, I just cracked open this Coke Zero. It's my first one today, and I just feel like I need it. Does the snow being locked inside get y'all like stir crazy like it does me? I got so many things I need to be doing, and I just don't have the, want to. Oh my goodness. Hey Martha, hey Colette. Once I do this for 60 seconds, I'm gonna pick it up and get the rest of the design. Y'all can probably, okay. And look, don't move it like this. Lift it up and move it. Let's see. Oh, Sue's gonna, no, who's gonna make the flag? Pam. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if y'all saw that project. It was so quick and easy. And I used our permanent ink and the heat transfers. And like I said, if y'all want to see all the stuff that just came back into stock today, it was stuff that sold out quick. Just type the word back, B-A-C-K. And when I get off this video, I'm going to hold up the shirt and put a link to this sweatshirt for y'all. Hey, Melinda, watching from Alabama. Is anybody else? We're the only ones snowed in, I guess. Actually, Barry's been like going to the store. He went over to Jenny's. I think the temps did get above freezing today, which prompted him to go out there and clean off the walkway. All right. I like to sneak a peek. I think that's a wrinkle. A little bit of wrinkle. I'm going to do this. I see like a little wrinkled area. I'm going to try to heat that again right there. It didn't move, so we're good. Oh, thanks, Susan. Y'all, I just wear reading glasses, so I get like a 5-pack from Amazon for nothing. Vicky's still iced in Memphis. Vermont is. Okay. Snowed in Texas. See, we're all... Are y'all just crafting? I got like so many things I should be doing, which would be cleaning, organizing. Look at Chris, 15 inches. We only got, they said 8 to 10. And then we got ice on top of it, y'all. Let me see. Which the ice helped lock with his sledding. Y'all, that looks so cute. Let me get this paper out. Look at that. See how much brighter it looks after you press it? I'm going to see if it came through to the other side. It did not. Okay, yeah, this is a pretty thick sweatshirt. I'm going to hold it up. I think it's straight. It is. So pray on it, pray over it, and pray through it. All right, let's put one of those smaller ones on. I want to put, you know how, have you seen the shirts will have something really cute on the cuff or like right above the cuff? So like right here, I'll find the middle of that. Or should I put it up here? Let's put it up here. Or I guess you could put it on the back or wherever you want to. And this is what we've got to choose from. And you could put them anywhere. You could put just this on a shirt. I think I'm going to put this heart. Grab some more tape. And like I said, it didn't go through because this is a sweatshirt, so I'm not going to worry about. I feel like I need to put a towel so it doesn't get on that seam. Or actually, maybe I can put it over just a little. Let me grab a towel. I got plenty of towels in the kitchen. And look, if y'all hadn't tried this, try it. I think you'll like it. I think you'll like it. Somebody just asked, this is a sublimation sweatshirt. And that means that the heat from the press presses the ink in, and you can wash it and it's not going to wash out. Y'all have seen the one that I did that says, this girl loves Jesus. I've watched that many, many times. Many, many times. I'm just going to put a couple of pieces of tape on here. And you can put these anywhere. You don't even have, you can put them on something else if you wanted to. I cannot believe how much snow everybody's gotten. Does everybody, and I know there's a lot of people without power too. All right, here we go. Same thing, 360 for 60 seconds. Let me get another. Oh, y'all, I just saw the back of my hair. It looks crazy. Oh my goodness. I guess I just fixed the front of it. Have y'all ever, does that ever happen to y'all? You see the back of your head and you're like, oh my gosh, who is that? It's me. It's me. And listen, y'all be looking for it. When I get off here, like I said, I'm going to take a picture of me holding the shirt and I will put the link for the shirt because I forgot to put that in the message. Like if you type back, it's not going to, the shirt's not going to be in there. Oh gosh, Chris is getting more snow this weekend. I heard that something, I forget, I think they called this one firm. But I did hear that something else was coming. Oh my gosh, isn't that so cute? I love that shade of green too. And the reason I put this towel under there is because I didn't want it to get lumped on that you know, on that ridge. Isn't that cute? And look, I lined it up with the shoulder. And I love the colors of this. I need to get me a short sleeve shirt because it's not going to be cold forever. And then I'm going to be complaining about being hot. Lynn's getting more on Sunday too. We may be too. I need to look. Anyway, this is back plus several other things. Today's the last day for that big sale that we're having. And if you do an order of $100 or more, it's free shipping. So be sure to check it out. This is the one I've been waiting to do because it's sold out crazy quick. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I love that we offer all kinds of things, all the way from the Peanuts gang to heat transfers to ink and paste. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for sharing this out. I really appreciate it. And I will see y'all later. Love you guys. Bye now.